Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab A11 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find General Management and tap on it. Then let's scroll down and go to Reset. And here scroll and find the option Reset Mobile Network Settings or Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings, depending which one you need. So basically the whole operation looks the same in both. Simply tap on the option, tap on Reset Settings. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you cannot undo this action. So just tap on Reset if you're ready. And the same with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Just tap on it, tap on Reset Settings, and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.